In this tutorial, we'll show you how to process multiple CSV files in FME. We'll modify an existing FME workspace, translating data from a single CSV file to Tableau. This workspace is set up to process business license data from a single CSV file. Data validation and cleanup is performed before the data is written to Tableau format. But there are also a number of other CSV files containing business license data from previous years. How would we set up this workspace to handle all of these files? The first step is to tell FME to read all of the files from this folder. In the Navigator pane, expand the CSV Reader. Double-click on the source CSV file parameter, then open the Advanced browser. Select Add Folders. Navigate to the folder containing the CSV files and select it. We'll just read the files with a CSV extension from that folder. Now that we've set up the reader, the next step is to set up the existing source feature type on the canvas to handle all of the files read by the CSV Reader. Open the source feature type properties. It was originally set up to read the single business license file. Checking the Merge Feature Type option allows this feature to process all of the CSV files that are read. We'll use the default wildcard option for Merge Filter and Filter Type. It's important to note that when we turn the Merge Feature Type on, FME automatically exposes an attribute called FME Feature Type. Each attribute read is tagged with this attribute, which holds the name of the file each feature was read from. We'll make use of this attribute shortly. Let's confirm we've set up FME to process all of the files within that folder. Right-click on the source feature type and inspect the data. All 4 files in that folder were indeed read. We can see by further inspecting a single feature that the name of the file or feature type is stored with the feature. If we ran this workspace now, all of the data would be written to a single Tableau file. In that case, we could create a new attribute to store the year the business license data was collected using a substring extractor transformer. Here, it's been set up to extract the first 4 characters of that FME feature type attribute, which is in effect the year. The year value is stored in a new attribute called year collected. Our destination Tableau schema is updated with the new attribute. Now, if we want a separate Tableau file for every year of business license data, we can easily do that as well. Open the properties of the destination schema. Click on the drop-down next to table name and select FME feature type. We are instructing FME to use the value of this attribute for the output table name, which means that for every unique value found, a separate file will be created. We know that FME feature type holds the name of the file each feature was read from. And since we are reading 4 CSV files, we expect 4 Tableau files to be created. Run the workspace. Navigate to the output folder to confirm the 4 Tableau files were created.